Hello friends. Today I'll show you 10 smart dining racks, the perfect storage solution for plates, glasses, and everyday items, even in small spaces. With sturdy materials and clever design, it keeps your table tidy and stylish. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe, and tap the bell, like, comment, and share. Friends, so let's get started with the video. 2-tier large dish drying rack. Space-saving design. This 2-tier cutlery rack provides plenty of air drying space for cutlery, utensils, and more on your kitchen counter. Durable construction, made of sturdy metal with a draining board and utensil holder for easy use. Groove drain boards and spouts remove excess water, keeping countertops dry and preventing messes. Organized storage. Individual compartments keep dishes, cups, and cutlery neatly organized. Spacious capacity, measuring 16.54D into 11.81W into 17.71H. It fits neatly on most countertops and holds up to 11 plates, 6 cups, and multiple utensils. Easy maintenance. Parts are removable for easy cleaning and drying. 7-code large dish drying rack. Detachable 2-tier dish rack. This drying rack for kitchen counter take a detachable 2-tier design. Together with a utensil holder, a cup rack, providing a large space for storing tableware such as dishes, plates, bowls, mugs, kitchen pots, and frying pans. Auto-draining drainboard. The dish drying rack includes central drainage holes and a swivel spout, making sure the water flows directly into the sink, not onto the countertop. The swivel spout is 360 degrees rotatable, so you can put the rack next to the sink in the best position for your needs and have it work. Rust-proof and sturdy. The skirter de platos is made of premium metal with white powder finished. Corrosion-resistant and rust-resistant are ideal for kitchen and food applications. The sturdy construction will provide a strong load-bearing to storing all your kitchenware easily. Aluminum fold-flat dish drying rack. Durable, stylish, rust-proof aluminum frame contains items and complements any kitchen decor. Double-duty, 2-layer design holds items of all sizes. Dries quickly. Raised ridges elevate items away from water for quick, efficient drying. Versatile, removable utensil cup can be placed on either side of dish rack. Stays in place. Non-slip feet help keep rack stable on countertops. Assembled and upright in the X position, the dish rack measures 16.4 inch L into 14.4 W into 9.5 H. Beeland dish drying rack. Automatic drainage. This large dish drying rack features an automatic drainage system that consists of a drain board and a water outlet at the bottom. It can drain excess water into the sink automatically. In addition, the rotatable water outlet is available in 3 directions, so you can adjust the water outlet according to the position of your sink. Large capacity for a small kitchen. With a practical 2-tier design and a size of 16.5 by 12.6 by 12.6 inch, this dish drainer for kitchen counter enables you to store different types and sizes of kitchenware, such as bowls, dishes, knives, wine glasses, kitchen pots, and frying pans. This 2-tier dish drying rack is perfect for families of 3 to 4 persons. Space saving. The top layer of 2-tier dish drying rack can store 14 plates and pots. The bottom layer can keep up to 20 bowls. The side 2 cutlery racks can hold various utensils. One side holds 5 cups and another side can keep cutting boards. Keep your countertop. Busani 2-tier dish drying rack. Large capacity for small kitchen. Measurement 17.8 L x 12.6 W x 14.3 H. This double-tier design of dish strainers for kitchen counter free up 30% of the counter space. The top layer of 2-tier dish drying rack can store 15 plates and 5 cups. The bottom layer can store bowls or pots. The side cutlery rack can hold various utensils, and the other side can keep cutting boards, create a neat and clean kitchen. Rust-proof and super sturdy. The dish dryer rack is made of heavy-duty stainless steel with a nano-coating finish. The black dish drying rack will resist any damage that causes rust, is durable, easy to clean, which made to last. In addition, this dishwasher rack passed a 24-hour salt test. Easy to assemble and easy to clean. No holes, no tools, no screws. Our sink drying rack is designed with a simple snap-fit installation. Meanwhile, all part of the dish drainer rack can be easily disassembled, and cleaning is easy and convenient. Dish drying rack and sink. Used for 3 scenarios. This dish drying rack expands for use on the countertop, in sink or over sink. Adjustable supporting bars. The supporting bar of the sink drying rack can be extended from 15.5 to 23.2. This dish rack is a great space saver that fits over most sinks. Note: please check if the size of your sink and the dish rack match before purchasing. Small volume ideal for small kitchen. The dish rack is suitable for small families. It measures only 15.5 inch x 10.2 by 4.8, while it's capable of holding 8 plates and other bowls and glasses. Rust-proof, long-lasting. To prevent rust on the dish racks, this kitchen drying rack is made of food-grade stainless steel and constructed of thickened tube pipes. KitchenAid large capacity dish rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Kitchen large dish drying rack. Extendable rack. Kitchen kitchen dish drying rack with an extendable design can be adjusted to fit different kitchens. It measures 19.2 to 26.7 in length and from 12.9 W * 7.2 H. Please choose the appropriate size according to the length of your kitchen countertop. Easy to install clean. Kitchen dish drainer is easy to install with the attached installation manual. In addition, with the waterproof coating, the rack is also easy to clean. The water pipe can also be disassembled for cleaning. Rustless, fingerprint-free. Made of material, kitchen dish drying rack is free of rust and fingerprints. Tips: water may not drain smoothly if the sink edge is above the counter. Anti-slip silicone caps. The 4 anti-slip silicone caps can effectively prevent the large dish drying rack from slipping. And there won't be any scratches on the counter as well. Stainless steel dish drying rack. Compact design. Measuring only 12.0 W x 15.6 L, Sakugi dish rack features a compact design. Meanwhile, it's capable of holding 6 plates and other bowls and glasses. Sakugi drying rack makes full use of your kitchen space. Premium stainless steel. Made of premium stainless steel, Sakugi kitchen dish drying rack is free of rust and deformation. It's ideal for long-term use. Meanwhile, you can clean it effortlessly by rinsing it with running water and letting it air dry. Efficient water drainage. This large dish drying rack is designed to efficiently drain water, ensuring that excess water flows away and keeps your countertop dry. No more worry about water on the countertop. Easy installation. Sakugi drying rack for kitchen counter is